Hi there, in this tutorial I will show you how to create colliders. So start from here. Collider, it's called collider. Now let's instantiate collider. Let's do here colliders, but let's change this to call left, collider right, collider up, and collider down. Well, now let's instantiate them. Collider left, new collider. Let's try the code. And the constructor is needs two parameters, 5 for example, and 5. What's this? The size of the collider. Okay, it will be 5 pixels by 5 pixels. Let's try, and everything works fine. What is a collider? A collider is something that in touch with another object will trigger an event, so we can catch the hit, for example, of one player to another player. So let's attach the left collider to the sprite attach collider call left, and we will see nothing has been seen here and that's because we need to debug the collider if we want to see something. For example, debug to true. Let's see. Now you can see a little collider there. Let's create a collider, bigger collider. Let's use 10 by 10, and now you will see a bigger collider in magenta. Now, what we can do? We can create an offset to move the collider to the left of the player, for example. -5 and 3. Let's check it out. Okay, it's in the corner, so let's put 10, and that's okay. Let's create another collider and add it to the right, to up and down. So use the same code like this, like this, and like this. It's a bit long, but it's okay. 10 by 10, 10 by 10. Now call right, collider right, collider up, and down. We can do this with Shift and Alt. Up and down. It's okay. Now let's attach the colliders to our sprite. So left, right, up and down. Let's check it out. It's okay. Now let's change the offsets. Now the offset for this, let's try 20, a bit less, 16 for example. It's okay. And now for the up, we can set this to 4 and -5. 5. Let's see, it's okay. And finally, for the down, we set this to 4 and 16, also 16 or 20 will be it's okay. It's okay. Let's 18 and here 14, no, here 8, no, sorry. Here 4. Let's see. Now we have 4 colliders, but I don't like the up collider. You can do the math for this, but I have no time for that. It's okay. Now what we can do, let's create another sprite called sprite 2. So let's create it here, sprite 2, and where are our sprites? Here, sprites. So sprite 2 is equals new sprite, and let's attach an image. So add frame, and let's look for any frame. Okay, this. So we add the frame, res, add frame, engine, add child, our sprite. Let's test this, and we can see that there's another player. So let's change the position using set pose. For example, 40 by 40, X and Y. So we could try to do this. If the left collider touch the other player, the other player will be removed from screen. So let's try to do that. Let's change this to I don't know, 60 by 60. So 60 pixels to the right and 60 pixels to the bottom. Okay, that's better. Now what we have to do, we have to check if the collider, the left collider for example, collides to the other sprite. So let's check this. If collider, left collider collides sprite 2, engine, remove child, and sprite 2. Let's try this, and if we want, check, it was removed. Let's see that again. Stick removed. Well, that's all for now. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to to this channel, please. Bye bye.